What is your job? Your job is take the code, application code, whatever your developers are developing, take the code and deploy the code. Rest everything will be maintained, managed, built, and then supplied as a service to you by the cloud vendor. Now, as a result, what is happening, guys? Since everything is provided as a service in a matter of minutes, max to max in one entire day, I can build this entire infrastructure. Whatever the region that you want to host the application in the US, UK, Singapore, or in UAE, or in India, or in Africa, wherever you want to build, you can build it. So now why people are going towards the cloud is they want to hit the market fast. They want to reach the customer fast. So since we want to deliver the product to the customer in a faster phase, we are going towards a cloud platform. But if you are telling me like I have a luxury of 1 year, I have a luxury of 2 years, then you don't need to go to cloud. It's not required for you to go to cloud. Simply build everything on your own premise and then you run the show. Okay. Now last question for today. Okay. So let's see how many of you will answer it. Imagine like I'm going with a third party broker for the marriage. So I'm going with a marriage with some third party broker, and I am doing the entire marriage work. Which one you feel more costly? Going with a third party or doing by your own? Hmm? Which one is costly, guys? Doing on your own or going with the vendor?
Going with the vendor, sir.
Good. Nice, Amnullah. Guys, always see here, whenever you are going to someone and asking for the work, the other guy, he will add service charges as well. Right? So here, the third party vendor will charge you so much money than the work, whatever you are going to do it. Likewise, do you feel like cloud is a cheaper solution? Hmm?
Sir,
Do you feel like cloud is cheaper, guys?
as compared to physical, cloud is a cheaper.
Mhm. But ideally, it is not. Ideally, it is not. Okay. See, cloud infrastructure, every month or every year, you have to do the billing. Every year, you have to do the payment. But if you're purchasing the same server, one time investment, it's a one time investment. If you purchase one server, that server will be living like that at least next 5 years, it will be maintained by the vendor. Means like if some physical hardware damage is there, or if some sort of a damage is there, you will be having a service warranty from the vendor itself. He will come and he will replace the part. You don't need to spend money on that. So next 5 years, it's one time investment. But in the cloud, it is not like that. Every month, based upon your consumption, whatever you are consuming it, you have to pay the money. So so if cloud is not a cheaper solution, why still people are going towards the cloud, guys? If it is not a cheaper solution, why still people are going towards the cloud? What is the benefit? Hmm? What is the benefit?
Scalability, high availability, security.
Very nice. Good one. So you are going to get a great options like scalability. You can scale the infrastructure whenever you want. Unlike your physical infrastructure, if you want to scale, it will take months of an effort for you to scale, where it will take a seconds for you to scale in the cloud. And the second component is like ready to go to the market. Whenever you feel like going to the market, you can go. Whenever you want to deploy your application code, scale the infrastructure dynamically, deploy the code and go to the production. So you don't need to worry about your infrastructure components and the availability of your infrastructure. You don't need to worry because everything is provided by vendor itself. Now, the entire work which I took 2 years to build a multicloud.devops.com website, a retail application, the same thing I can build it in 2 months. The same thing I can build it in 2 months, which means this rest of the 20 months of salaries of the employees, maintenance and management, that which I have invested on my physical infrastructure, I would have saved it when when I go to cloud platform. because in the cloud platform I can dynamically create the infrastructure and build the infrastructure, right? So this is the reason, guys, why people are going towards a cloud. In a nutshell, if you ask me what is a cloud, cloud is nothing but a rental company who provide you the infrastructure, who provide you the platform, right? So in tomorrow session, tomorrow in the sense like my next Monday, tomorrow and day after tomorrow there is no class. Okay, we will connect by Monday. Monday we will start creating our AWS accounts. Monday we will see how we are going to work with our AWS services. Guys, thank you so much, guys, for joining for the session. Have a great day ahead. If you have any doubts, please stay back and clear. Otherwise, we are good to go for today.